Guys, because I'm in the country, you're gonna see a lot of bugs and stuff flying around because of the light. So yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little different. As you guys can see the setup, I'm not actually in the kitchen tonight. Well, today, I'm actually with my family. I'm in the country. I'm in St Elizabeth, Santa Cruz to be exact. So I'm with my cousin and my other cousin. You guys are gonna introduce yourself.
Hi.
Over to my left, we have
Jody, the winner!
our social thanks, and here we have Tina.
Go Tina!
We have Tina. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a challenge, and the producer in the back is my sister.
Hey!
So I'm gonna be doing this challenge that I heard about, the beanboozled challenge. So the beanboozled challenge is a jelly bean challenge. Okay guys, so the jelly beans challenge, okay, so we have different types of jelly beans. We have liver and onions and cappuccino. So if like Jody eat liver and onion, you know I already win because I'm gonna get the cappuccino, yeah?
Actually,
yes, I win.
One onion and liver inside.
Yeah, liver and onion.
There's more than one.
Yeah, me know.
So you can still take up cappuccino.
Jesus, I true. Okay. Alright, so I'm wrong, guys.
Whoever take up the cappuccino wins.
Okay, so whoever pick up the cappuccino. Okay, so the flavors that we have are liver and onions. We have cappuccino. We have old bandages or pomegranate. We have rotten egg or buttered popcorn. We also have toothpaste and berry blue. We have barf, vomit. We also have peach. Okay, we have stink bug and toasted marshmallow. We also have booger. Ew, nobody wants to eat booger, yeah? Okay, we also have juicy pear. We have dirty dishes, birthday cake. We have stinky socks, tutti frutti. We have dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie. So you guys think we can tell them apart? Okay, so these are the jelly beans here, and as you guys can see, like we cannot tell which one is which. Like they're all the same color. We can't tell them apart, yeah? So let the challenge begin. Okay, so we're gonna spin the wheel, and whoever it lands on,
Each person's pick.
yeah. Okay, so each person is gonna spin the wheel, and whoever the arrow lands on, they're gonna choose their jelly beans first, and then yeah, we're gonna go.
Continue.
Yeah. Okay. Okay,
Who's
Tina first.
Tina first. Oh my God, go
Tina,
Tina!
who's spinning?
Go Tina! Tina, hold it and spin it.
Spin it. Jody. Okay,
Which color is that?
just pick something.
What color is it?
Toasted marshmallow. And one there.
Actually, you guys do it.
Yeah, it's toasted marshmallow she picked.
No, Tina spin the wheel.
Oh,
Tina should eat the toasted
No, she
marshmallow.
land pan.
Who is land pan?
Yeah,
Mr.
the arrow.
Mr. I swear, whatsoever land pan you eat.
Alright, so I have,
Yeah, he try eat whatever I land pan. See there? Toasted marshmallow.
guys, so I have the toasted marshmallows. I do not have the stick bug.
Okay, wait. So everybody's gonna take one of the toasted marshmallows.
Okay, take one, take
Yes.
one.
Okay. Eat yours, Jody, first. Okay, let's eat it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
You have to eat it.
You have to eat it, Tina. Put it back in your mouth. What's that? The stinky bug?
No.
Which one? Toasted marshmallow or what? Stinking bug.
Yes.
Ew. This tastes nasty.
Tina, you have to eat the
You
stinky
have to
bug.
eat the stinking bug. Swallow it. No, this nasty.
Tina, you sure a stinking bug you have?
I think I have to hit because toasted
I
marshmallow
told you,
tastes
I
nice.
told you there's more than one stinking bug.
I think okay,
You
my
all
turn.
get stinking bug.
No man, you want water? Get some water.
I
Get
did
the
not.
extra water.
I did not get the toasted marshmallow.
Guys,
I got the bug.
all the three of us got this stinking bug. Nasty. Okay.
I got the ball.
We're gonna get water. We can't manage. It's nasty. No, just get bottled water. Come, hurry, man. You don't know what stinking bug taste. Come, come.
A bug died in my mouth.
Come, 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 man.
I can't do it no more.
Okay.
Stress.
So it's my turn. So, wait, me land pan? Okay, land pan me. So, okay.
That's what
So
the
this
thing-
one. So it's gonna be tutti frutti or stinking socks.
Who's gonna get tutti frutti?
Okay.
Or stinky
Okay.
socks?
Do you want me to? These?
No, look at this one.
Not these. Yeah.
No.
They're red bunny.
No, this.
Oh.
Hey, baby.
So these?
Tina, pick
Oh,
one.
which one?
I want with the blue one.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay. I call that
Yeah.
coming? Oh. Come eat already. Eat.
Okay, guys.
Eat.
So tutti frutti or stinking socks.
Tutti frutti, guys.
Tina gets stinky socks. Tina don't know the difference.
God, thank you so much. This tastes so good.
It tastes apple to you?
Tutti frutti, tutti
Stinking
frutti.
socks.
Stinking socks.
Eat it. They're happy eating it. They're happy eating it.
Tina, come on girl, I'm cheering for you. Why you keep choosing the worst? You get stinky socks, Tina.
Okay, this tastes so good. Oh
Yeah,
my
me
god.
too.
2 winners, 1 loser.
So
Your
good.
turn, Tina, take care.
Are you fish spin?
Look here.
Me,
Tina, Jolly, you know you have to hold the board to Jolly. Come on,
Sorry,
Rosie.
guys. Oh,
Jolly
God.
yourself.
What was that?
The green one.
Juicy pear.
So juicy pear or booger? Oh God, please make this be juicy pear.
Please
Guys,
let Tina won the juicy pear. I'm
I have a
begging you.
feeling this is the book.
This smell like booger for real.
This is the book. Are we ready?
No, this is like juicy pear.
Eat, 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 eat.
This is nice.
Tina, you are just bad
Tina,
lucky.
the juicy pear kind of tastes a little weird. What? Juicy,
She
you
don't
actually get the booger. Johnny get the booger.
Tina, which one you get?
Yeah, you know
It
what
tastes like the coal in your mouth when you cough, or it tastes like a
tastes
fruit?
like booger. And a tutti frutti. Juicy pear. It tastes like pear. The booger you get. They just like episode Tina.
Tina is just bad lucky. Tina, when you look down, you just got the one that says, choose
God, you've
me.
been on my side.
Choose
Continue being on my
me.
side. Thank you.
Give Alecia
Thank you.
all the bad ones.
Thank you.
Poor Johnny.
Alright, Tina, come.
No,
Johnny
Tina,
bed.
Tina, oh God.
Johnny
Hi,
did
hello,
CPR.
hello.
Spin that wheel. Spin that.
The thing, so whatever it
Johnny.
falls on you,
What is that?
you guys are just
Have to get juicy
pear again.
Juicy pear this time.
Or juicy pear again or booger.
Juicy pear. Alright, so this is the juicy pear, guys.
Alecia get the, what is that? Is it the vomit? Is it the bubble? Do you get another booger? Tina.
What does it look like again?
I can't booger Tina again.
Tina, you sure it's booger?
This gets just like booger. And
Tina.
juicy pear again?
A book you get, Tina?
We get booger. Yes, like the first one.
No.
That was
Okay,
like juicy
you
pear
get-
again.
Finally, Tina get the juicy pear. Finally.
Alright, my time.
Your turn.
My time. Me.
Butter popcorn.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Oh my God, I'm gonna stand up for this one.
God,
Eat,
that's our
eat,
year.
eat, eat.
Oh, my head a hurt me already.
Rotten eggs, rotten
Jesus,
eggs,
me have migraine. Me have migraine.
rotten eggs. In my head. And it's everything, everything.
Me can't, no, me can't eat it. Me can't eat it.
eat the rotten
No,
egg.
we can't this.
Alecia, you're full.
No,
You're full.
swallow it.
You're
can't just
full.
swallow it.
If you don't eat it, you're out
Taste
of the
it.
game.
Taste it.
If you don't eat it, you're out of the game.
Don't
No, me no.
No, everybody eats it. You
My
have
head
to.
hurt me. Me can't eat.
You have to. That is you're not playing fair.
No, my head hurt me.
You're not playing fair. Tina eat at least 5 awful
The
stuff.
worst thing in your rotten egg.
They all eat the rotten egg.
I think bug I worse one say stinking bug worse than a rotten egg. No, not well. Me egg is stinking bug.
Exactly. So she actually, Alecia, you have to be fair. Eat the rotten. Just swallow it like a pill. Swallow it like a pill. Swallow it like a pill. Get the water. Get the water. Eat the rotten egg. Eat the rotten egg. Eat the rotten egg. Don't bring it up back. Move the stuff off the wood. Move it. Remove it. And make sure so when we watch this, we see
My-
it like this.
My turn.
Red is good.
Everything's supposed to be in.
Strawberry, banana smoothie,
Almost the pink
or
one.
dead fish.
The pink one here?
Get fish.
No, this one.
The one that look bright up there like you have dead fish in there.
This is the strawberry banana smoothie.
I declare that this one is the strawberry banana smoothie.
Please let Tina get the strawberry banana.
Ready?
Each one everybody
Ready?
gets dead fish. Dead
On
fish.
your mark, get set, go.
Eat
Everybody
it.
in your mouth.
Eat it. Eat it. Tina, put it in.
No.
Tina, get it. Go, Tina. Go,
No.
Tina. Go, Tina. Go,
No. Me not know say so this year. Yes, go do it. No, me not know say so that one this year. No. No, me not eat it. Me not eat it. Me not eat it. I'm serious, me not eat it.
I said, Jesus.
Me not eat it. I'm serious, me not eat it. Me not eat it. Me a dash it.
I didn't say
Me a dash it. Guys,
The dead
sorry.
fish is not it.
No.
Dead fish is not nice.
Not me. We can't eat that. We can't eat that.
Dead fish is not cute.
Okay, guys.
My head hurt.
They
No.
couldn't manage the dead fish. This challenge is like epic.
Me need one birthday cake.
No. Oh, we spin.
Me
Want
need
something
one
nice.
birthday cake. Come Tina. Peach or bar?
Peach and barf.
Oh my
Jesus
God, this
Christ,
is my
you know what, man.
favorite. Let's
When you're red, Connie. The orange when you're red. Please.
Come Tina.
Tina, take one.
Tina, peach baby, peach.
You know, say this not look like peach.
On
Look
your
like
mark.
peach. This not look like peach, you know.
Come.
That one don't look like
On your
peach.
mark. Come, Tina.
Your mark.
And my get set, go. Alice, it's Bob. Alice, Tina,
Big
just take a
guy,
bite.
no.
Tina, see what it is. Tina, take a bite.
Have a
That's what it
taste,
is.
Tina.
You guys are not playing the game fair. It's barf. After a time gets barf. They're not playing the game fair. Alecia, throw hers. Alecia, why you dash her something?
He barfed let me one barf.
Don't eat it because Alecia throw. Just taste it and throw it away.
No. Me didn't know.
Actually,
But
guys,
then no
I
sense
think
of
the
them
next
coming in
three
place.
inside there is not
Alright.
marshmallow.
Yeah,
I'm going
I
to
know.
get the birthday cake.
And see, I know me didn't know say so them really taste bad.
Birthday cake. So, I'm say me I get birthday cake.
Birthday cake or dishwash.
I don't think the dishwasher
Or
would be that
dishwater.
bad.
Dirty dishwater.
It's soap and bleach and all kind of.
I want one. This one? Yeah.
This is the
Alright.
birthday
This really
cake.
look like birthday cake.
Eat
Ready?
it, eat it. 1, 2, 3. No, Tina, put it in your mouth.
What is what me them get?
No, this
Johnny
tastes like
get
dirty
birthday
dishwater.
cake.
But you know not
Birthday
bad.
cake.
It tastes like dirty dishwater when you don't that bad. You
Yeah.
can't-
Nice birthday cake. Birthday cake.
Yay, go Tina, go Tina.
The dirty dishwater don't taste that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
dishwater wouldn't taste that.
Next
It tastes
bar.
not bad. The bar
Like
from
the
the
bar
rotten egg.
from the rotten
Jesus,
egg.
we made a hot mirror.
Tina
Dead
said the
fish,
pork,
whoa.
the dead fish, and the
No, I. It's
stinky
Tina.
bug.
Your time, come. Let me tell you what I want. Want a toasted marshmallow. Birthday
Birthday
cake.
cake again.
That
That
didn't
is
spin.
get
That
the birthday
didn't
cake
spin.
this
That
time.
did not
It's
spin.
spin.
That
Come,
did not
take it up.
spin. Oh
Take
my
it up.
god. I think you only have one birthday.
Thank you, Lord. I'm saying birthday cake too.
I think you guys just get dishwater.
Why me feel like you're doing a birthday cake?
Yes, because that's the only birthday
This
cake
is
that
good.
remains.
I don't know how it is. It tastes good.
Come guys, just eat the dishwater. Tina, eat the dishwater.
It tastes like birthday cake, Tina?
Yeah, birthday cake.
Jody, get dishwater.
No, this one, but it don't taste bad, not true. It tastes like rotten egg and other stuff. Them.
You know about this, can't you?
Yeah, yeah. I can't eat.
You guys are messing with the challenge. You're not eating the stuff.
We eat it.
Toothpaste.
Blueberry or toothpaste.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
yes.
It don't
Yes,
matter.
easy
It don't
something.
matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just put it in the water.
Toothpaste, my girl.
Freshen up the mouth.
Yeah, toothpaste, my girl.
We got blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry. Yeah.
Yeah, toothpaste.
Come on then. Toothpaste. Listen, I want toasted marshmallow.
Which one then?
Pomegranate or
Pomegranate.
old bath water, Jesus.
Oh, somebody's thinking about foot water. Oh man.
Alright. Marie said, okay, I'm going to taste all of them when it's done. But like a toothpaste. Pomegranate.
Come
That's
on,
why they
people.
smell like a bandage. And the bandage rotten.
Band- Alecia, get the band-aid.
A bandage?
Yes.
Oh, your old bandage, me get toothpaste.
Pomegranate.
Tina get old bandage as well.
This tastes like when you put rotten. Alright, okay. Just like when you put
I
rotten.
love this.
And put some come out time.
Oh God. Are you still not? Hold on. I don't want to eat the rotten egg and dead fish.
And go and need that for them put iodine pan it. And
Come,
them
spin.
gauze it
You
up.
don't want to hear no more. Spin something. Give me toast.
Alright.
Strawberry
Banana soon.
Dead fish. No, me not eating no dead fish. No.
Alright.
Dead fish finish. No more dead
Choose
fish. No
it.
dead.
Choose it. Choose. Then that's the thing. A 3 dead fish supposed to be inside, right?
Me no want no more dead fish.
If
Me
you
want
take it and
fancy.
it's bread and it's dead fish, come
And you say
on.
that fi-
A dead fish.
Choose it.
No, no.
Choose it. Choose it.
Yeah,
Choose it.
yeah.
Tina,
But
don't
no,
you
no,
know what
no.
you don't know if a dead fish you get yet?
But it's pretty red.
Choose it. Choose it. Choose
This.
it.
I hate no, that one you look like this.
No, I don't want
You like
to
that
like
color?
this.
Oh yeah.
So the other one. This one.
This.
Tina, see
Alright,
one-
this one.
So Tina don't choose
Yeah.
it.
Okay, here's
See
the
one more there.
Happy feeling.
Remember, I meant it's dead fish we are throwing away. 'cause
Yes,
the fish
you
don't
can't
taste
use it.
good.
Show the dead serious. If
I want
It's not definitely dead fish.
the fish here. Dead fish weeks.
Tina, taste yours. What it is?
It
Dead
just
fish?
island.
Smoothie no earlier dead fish that.
Yeah, dead fish.
Dead fish.
Outside.
Yeah, you know you pick. I got running belly.
My time.
I mean, if it's after tea, no.
Come, get it toasted marshmallow. Me
You
want
guys,
to
you guys are so unfair.
Alright.
Toothpaste.
Blueberry or toothpaste? One left.
Yeah, the way choose.
Okay,
that
one
easy.
left. That over there. So.
Next.
Oh, give it to me. Oh, when the one left, you give it to me.
Alright, producer speak. So
Yes,
producer
producer,
tell
taste.
no smelling of the dead fish.
A toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Alright.
What do you rate some?
Birthday cake or dirty dishwater.
The white one again, please. The birthday
Oh, so
cake.
this one.
The last. Oh,
This one?
yes.
Alright.
So producer, the last one I feel.
You guys have to eat.
Last. Okay.
Alright, so what is this?
Let me see a pizza there.
Dirty dishwater. Let me tell you that.
Dirty dishwater. You have
Let
to
me
eat
see a
that.
piece
And
of
then
the-
the shell one we can't show away.
No, dirty. Let me tell you that. man.
We are got, you got it. What you
It's
get?
like dirty rag.
What is it? Dirty dishwater one.
Birthday
Cake.
cake.
This is
In
not
case
dishwater.
in case a dirty dishwater, I see a piece of my toothpaste.
Come, eat it.
Come
So
on,
I got the dishwater.
Dirty
Yeah,
dishwater. This is dirty dishwater.
It's
Okay.
swapping on this.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the sorry soap. I got this plate never washed last night.
Alright.
So pat you put down for swap for week.
Come, Jody, your turn.
Back with the toothpaste to wash out the mouth.
Toasted marshmallow, please. What is this?
On the bottom. Turn our spinach again.
Come, toasted marshmallow. Come, why you never
Spin it again.
I'm nervous.
Oh, alright.
No, I'm not. No,
Juicy pear booger.
Oh,
The
yeah.
little plant, juicy pear booger.
The
The green.
Come, see one here, see one there.
Come,
We produce
producers.
one. Which
Come.
one you want? This one or this one?
Choose. And the produce I get that.
Don't have it mercy. Why?
Pear booger. If it will not taste right.
I don't see how to do this.
A booger.
Tina, you don't taste so you don't
Eat
say.
it, chew it up, put it in your mouth and chew it up, Tina. Chew it up, man. What do you like here? Juicy pear? You think that tastes bad? Wait till I taste it right now.
It's coming like I want my car.
Come, Tina, toasted marshmallow time.
The paper them who do this steep, them only put one juicy pear in there.
What is that? Cappuccino, liver
Lefty,
onion.
lefty. Liver, onion, or what?
Yeah, no, I never tried that one.
Liver
before.
onion or cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah.
But how that one here so extra dark?
I think the liver and onion are the black one, something
I
like
only one black. I think I see him. I see him brown. All of them are brown.
Brown.
But that one just extra like him. Extra
Alright.
dark.
So that's how liver onion. Cappuccino.
And so some they eat.
Alright, so this.
Eat it,
Cappuccino.
eat it. Tina, what do you get?
Cappuccino
Tina, you don't know
all
how cappuccino it tastes like coffee.
Coffee.
Like tea. Cappuccino, that means the rest of them are one.
I
Jody
think
gets
I'm on
onion and
the
liver.
Jody.
I'm not taste bad.
Okay.
I don't taste bad.
I coffee it. Cappuccino.
Onion turn up good.
I enjoy this.
Let me say no one. Let me say no one. Toasted.
Toasted
Yes.
marshmallow.
I want the birthday cake and dishwater.
We don't have any
There's
more.
no Brussels skip. Next.
What that?
Stinking socks. Me not do that again.
Jesus Christ.
You have to do it.
Producer is in this one.
Really?
4 of them, yes.
Oh my god. You guys don't have to do it.
Oh, which one? Hold on, there are 2 pink one, right? Oh, that one here. Tutti Frutti, the one here. Now hit with the blue one. Oh, I Tutti Frutti with the blue them one here.
How much
So
is
what you
there?
take?
Isn't any more in
Where
there
next
for the
one?
producer?
Let me see.
Ooh!
Come, producer's
Tutti
child.
Frutti.
Come, you're in it now. Tell me what you get.
Tutti Frutti, this tastes nice.
You get this stinking socks.
You guess is that a stinking Tina way?
Yeah.
I took your photo today.
Yeah, you have a lot of tutti frutti because you guys did get like 3 stinking socks.
That is for the third Tutti Frutti.
Tina gets stinky socks.
This tastes nice.
Stinking socks again.
14 and the stinky socks. You never taste the fruity juice.
Come,
Again,
Tina.
this tastes really nice. That is on my side.
Come, we need the toasted
Come, Tina.
marshmallow, please.
I'm not getting a toasted marshmallow.
Yeah. Jody really need a
Again.
toasted marshmallow.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cappuccino, liver, onion.
Jesus.
God, me no
We
want
don't
to
do
liver.
onion again.
I didn't say I didn't get liver. I
Oh,
didn't get
yeah.
cappuccino.
Cappuccino me get.
Producer's child who want one.
What Jody say? I have the cappuccino you get the first time because if you eat this liver onion, you're good.
No,
Alice
liver
said it's
onion.
full of
Me
Me
no, me not eat
You
it.
can't just throw away
Me
so
not
much.
eating it. Me not eat it.
Alice is
Like say I know say me not
Where
eat
you-
it.
where you-
I wouldn't eat it either.
this is liver and onion.
Eat it, Kedia. what me say. Now you see how many things.
Did they tell you what kind of liver?
Not fairness.
You
This
see?
is a chicken liver.
That's my chicken liver. I'm
Hello?
chicken liver.
So which one you get? Your first time, but you don't
It
share.
never tastes so awful.
That means I must cappuccino again.
No, I never coffee.
So
I
again.
never did so like something from first and never make the face. It never
But
tastes
tell on
so
the man.
bad.
You tell him when me dash away really bad, me can't eat it. Me
Can you
have a-
smell it? Just
Come,
now?
Yeah.
and we must
You
be.
see? Me tell you.
How must it
And you not tasting rotten egg yet? Guess what? You have my instant migraine.
Rotten egg.
Alright, cool.
Come, Tina.
Come
pick
pick
some.
up there.
No,
Because that hurt me
Which one
already.
you want? Come, you want, who want it? I don't want to
split
share. A rotten egg?
Yes.
How rotten? Rotten.
Like
Oh, this
10
is
year
rotten egg.
Eat it, eat
No.
it. No, okay, you have to taste it, taste it.
Say it,
No,
Papa.
no, no, no,
I
no.
taste
At
the
least
rotten
taste it.
I
Kay.
didn't taste it.
Kay, you not taste, you smell it.
You like it?
Kay. No, Kay, you have to taste it. You have to taste it, Kay. At least chew it. Me no care,
What
chew
you
it.
get?
Kay, chew it something, no? Chew it, no. With your back teeth.
Pack up time. Me done. Me done. Me can't. You
Yeah.
ready?
Yes, so we're going to try. She can't understand the struggle.
I know what's going on.
No, you never know.
That's why I didn't get in
No,
in
you
the
never
game.
know, Kadia. But when you see me under share things, say
No,
nice.
I can't show it, man. I'm not up on the camera, girl.
Well, the people
like
may
on the
understand,
background.
right? You understand, right?
Everything
You know
is
that
changed.
trouble me?
What's the
Too
other one?
much dead fish in there.
Come, spin,
Dead
spin.
fish.
Spin it,
They're
man.
fine. I don't bet we get no dead fish.
What that?
Let's toasted marshmallow or stinking bug. Jesus.
Oh my God, Tina, don't get any stinking
Marshmallow,
bug,
me
Tina.
to talk to you from away. Come, me know you.
No stinking bug, Tina. At least I got the stinking bug. Try it because you have to.
Alright, maybe
Remember,
try it.
Tina did get it and the poor thing ate it. Oh my God.
I take it again. I take it again, Tina. But at least burst it and
Burst it and Tina and smell it. How it smell it first.
Smell it, Tina.
I thinking bug again. Tina already eat it. Oh God, you guys try because Tina tried.
I toasted marshmallow. Really?
Send you over together. Make you smell it. Make you smell it.
Me tell you something, I'm gonna get Why you doing that this way? And this is the toasted marshmallow. You want me?
That's a stinky bug.
That's the toasted marshmallow.
But it's a wicked little bit of share piece with me.
Again.
Jesus Christ. Jesus, I ever have a headache. Hold on there. Look at this, put all liquor flavor in there, so man. Alright, liver and onion. Come, give Kadia for your liver and onion. Oh, don't take few now. Come just liver and onion or cappuccino.
Onion.
Don't make it. Smell it up, Tito Jolly.
Liver onion. Liver onion, don't it? You can't just smell. You can't just smell it. Big give her already. Still in my mouth.
You eat it?
The first one when she tastes it.
Baby Jolly.
Some like what
Smell it, smell it. A liver and onion? I don't know that you don't smell. Alright,
You're not trying that again.
eating. Okay, guys, we know we're unfair and we are thief and thing, but trust me, I don't understand.
It's bad.
If you don't know, no know. But no man, me not eat it.
I only get one good thing.
If
I
it
the toothpaste.
if it eatable, yes. But no man. The liver, onion, the stinking bug, the rotten egg. What again, Joe?
The only best one out there are the toothpaste.
No, something else. Dirty dishwater, alright.
It's finished?
No.
Come continue.
Eat your banana smoothie or dead fish.
Don't.
one I eat. I was trying to dead fish.
Please don't find none.
I want with the red pan it. And then one here with the red pan it.
Yeah.
I hit? Yeah, I hit I like that color.
Come to the other one more like.
Just give me.
Thank God. I'm not in that.
No, hold on. Let me see.
We saw red pan in the
Why they doing it?
There isn't any more from
It
me.
look like this one.
The peachy yeah, peachy looking one.
So it's this one.
Yes, thank God there isn't any there for me.
Of course.
Notificated is. Yes.
Yes.
Produce. What is this?
What is it?
Dead fish.
Stand me just let me vomit.
Dead fish and
Dead fish.
Dead fish and strawberry banana smoothie.
What you get? You get the dead fish,
I
Missy.
can't eat it. I'm bursting.
Is the dead fish you get too?
Mm-hmm.
Like there's a chance to have the strawberry banana.
Dead
Bust
fish.
it up and smell it.
They just burst it open with their head and smell.
You put your ears face.
Dead fish?
And dead fish?
Let me just want
Put it on nose.
Just smell it. Dead fish.
Oh my goodness. No, man.
Even just to smell it, make it just off.
Listen.
If don't ants don't eat
The
them stuff there.
bamboozled people, don't put no strawberry banana smoothie in that one year.
Exactly. Everything is just pure dead fish, dead fish. I don't know.
I decided last one. I don't want here. I didn't want here. Let me smell it.
Oh yes,
Can I
yes.
taste it? Can I taste it?
Oh,
I haven't tasted it. I
yes.
haven't tasted anything proper.
No. Oh, really?
Come, send them piece to the producer.
The peach, the pinkish.
Send them piece to the producer.
Get your pushing. Yeah, look, keep pushing her more.
Let me see here. Put that in there. The peachy looking. I don't want here.
Oh, let me see already.
To share.
Yeah.
It's good to share.
After eating so much rotten egg.
Yeah, and dead fish. And onion and liver.
Jesus, I want to taste
But we have more left.
That liver don't know.
Yes, we have more left.
Come
No.
on.
Which one?
Come on, could just eat out all of the toasted marshmallow. What this one? What this one? No. What this one?
Dead fish or something.
Stink bug.
Thinking about.
We call this game,
That's
it's not the
your man.
taste game, it's the smelling game. These
Alright.
things are hot, they're
They're
horrible, they
nasty.
stink, they're nasty.
What did pink one here be, Jody?
This, you know them bug there? And use bug is one of my
Peach or barf? We're gonna try the peach.
I haven't seen them do the barf thing
We're
yet.
gonna try the peach or barf.
Which
Oh,
color that?
this is peach or barf. Smell it. It smells so good.
This one?
Pink one.
This one?
Yeah. The pink one here.
Come. Everybody will get one. Why this too?
Yeah.
So what
What is this girl doing? What the red for? I thought they on the red one here.
Yeah. It's pomegranate or old bandages.
Here. Take your bandage. Here.
All bandage, all bandage.
Okay. Guys, we're done.
Hold on. What is one here?
Oh, this smells nice.
Yeah.
What's
Yes.
that? Taste it.
What it smell like?
These are stink socks.
Just want to make smell
Tastes
it.
like
Smell
fruit.
bad. That's
No,
not
tastes
very-
like fruit. Listen to it. Dishwater. A sign name?
Oh my.
Bandage or something?
Old bandages. Okay. So guys, the last ones we have or not. We have a couple different ones, Jody. We have peach or barf, then two red one here. Two red one, peach or barf. And peach or barf. And then
Who is that? Who is that girl?
strawberry,
Who is she?
blueberry smoothie. Strawberry banana smoothie. Alright. We basically finished. We just eat. Let me smell. I eat.
Shh, we're in the camera.
Give me a nice one. Then.
Camera, camera.
Come take a
No
one.
crying, no crying.
Camera is one, one, vomit.
Jesus.
No, man, the one is nice. He's nice. He's nice, girl.
That's what, that, which one then? Which one is that?
I don't know, but it does smell good.
Jesus. Man, that hurt me.
Come, Mama.
God
Whosoever do this, that put beanboozled. Sure. Nothing. No, Alecia. No one die drop. Oh God.
Mommy, you're on your phone?
Yes.
We're gonna make you try when I candy.
You do it like this.
Yeah.
Oh, because we did do something.
But you have to smell it first, mommy.
I don't know why you know or not, you know.
No, you.
No, I candy.
Yeah,
You can't
okay.
eat it.
But you have to smell it first.
See when I eat it?
Yeah, smell it first.
Jesus Christ. I'm not sitting here, man. How I Jody? I want to put in a member put me and smell so sweet. Some in a good in here, you attack and I want to sit in the country and smell it for me to a stinking sick. If one horse full of
Mama, you say for your choice.
that she wear over there in a Alecia bag.
Oh my God.
And they get
man.
but me don't know how. If you and them, so look at them they sitting there from.
Of the internet.
Eh?
Yes.
You eat dead fish, Jody?
No, man.
That's how the guy full of water.
Nasty, man. You nasty, bad. You nasty.
So when I get there, when I get it?
Online. The box.
I box him
Yeah. No, man. Mommy says some like thinking.
man. I don't know what to no.
Don't use that simple as well. Guys, look here, no, man. Sure.
I want to see the Alecia can come down one box.
No,
So they
man.
can play a game.
Thinking bug they get mommy.
Thinking bug they give me, but that got me bucket in
Whosoever
a
give this
memo.
something is a wicked person. Them put mostly at this stinking things them in a hill.
And they put you know it thing. Yeah, right. You hear to say good friend that call you out there at Nyam Bog. See, bro, they lean, put it on something they fix it there.
But that one you're a best one. That one you're a marshmallow. So guys, I'm gonna give mom the marshmallow. I'm gonna give mom the marshmallow, but she's gonna smell.
Come on. See her sitting in the box here. Oh God, so Georgia Tina, that's how Tina and Yam.
No, you have one nice one.
But another one.
So this one never call you the one come here the Yam shit. What is?
Yeah. Tasty.
Me not eat nothing.
Smell it then. No, it smells nice.
Nice, God. Smell nice. Smell them and go shit to you. Yo, bitch, yo. I mean, I don't like nothing I can't back. I mean, I tell you, they say they might play a game. But I don't game. I just sit in our box. Sit in our box.
Jesus Christ. No.
But me think a game in the Alecia, them don't come here. They don't tell us that they play some game. I want a game.
Some of them nice or some of them
Jesus. No, man.
Them get birthday cake, cappuccino,
That's what I see. What box I sit no near my.
Guys, challenge was a fail.
challenge
We did not
failed.
eat nothing. Like,
Fail.
fail. Challenge failed because, yeah, we didn't eat anything. So, yeah.
So challenge failed. You know the challenge just supposed to.
Yeah, yeah. Fail challenge. Fail challenge.
People eat this until they start puke.
Jesus. Fail challenge. Right, guys? Fail challenge. Fail.
What you eat?
You gotta eat enough. Jody fail challenge. Jody fail. Guys, look where Jody reached.
Jody